This is Cuckoo. Starting the red ginseng menu. Slow cook. Fermented bread. Fermented bread in 40 minutes. Fermenting bread is starting. Starting the rice. Setting mode for voice guide. Select voice with menu selection button, then press set button. This is English voice guide mode. This is Chinese voice guide mode. Voice guide has been set. Setting mode. Nighttime volume has been set. Setting mode. Power save screen light has been set. This is the Energy Eye setting mode. Set or unset the Energy Eye mode by pressing the selection button. Then press the OK button. Preset automatic sterilization. Starting the automatic sterilization. Button lock has been selected. Button lock has been cancelled. Set cook completion time with menu selection button, then press the cook or set button.